For nearly 20 years, Hongmao Garden has been designing and manufacturing metal garden solutions for Europe. From mailboxes in over 3 million German homes to large-scale retail projects. Today, we take the next step. 20 years of manufacturing expertise trusted across Europe. We transformed our factory knowledge, engineering data, testing standards, and project experience into something new. The Hongmao AI Agent. Manufacturing knowledge digitized. Not just an AI tool, but a direct gateway into Hongmao Garden's expertise. Every answer comes from real production data, real engineering standards, real project experience. Direct access to Hongmao AI Agent.
For example, what is your monthly production capacity? The AI analyzes your question and instantly delivers a precise answer based on real factory data.
And you can also click these related questions. When starting a new cooperation, questions always come first. For example, what is your monthly production capacity? Our AI agent understands the intent, checks the verified data, and responds with accurate, structured information. And sometimes, inspiration comes from the market. Maybe you've seen a product. Maybe your competitor launched something new. Instead of long discussions, simply upload the image. Within seconds, the Hongmao AI agent analyzes the structure, the category, and the application and recommends Hongmao alternatives based on our existing portfolio and engineering capabilities, helping you move from inspiration to real production.
With Hongmao Garden, you don't just work with a factory, you work with a partner who combines manufacturing, engineering, and intelligence. Hongmao AI Agent, built to make cooperation with Hongmao simpler, faster, and stronger. Hongmao Garden, smarter manufacturing, stronger partnership.